Faqs, welcome back to my channel.
I just wanna live in a fantasy.
So in today's video, you're gonna be getting ready with me because I have class today, and it's just a little vlog. It's gonna be more than just me going to school. I guess I'm gonna just add some stuff in here, but so I'm about to do a little makeup. I don't really do my makeup for school, but we're gonna do something. All right. That curtain is blowing my mind. That's some. I gotta hurry up and go back to the baby. You might have to bring that to the living room. But I think I'm gonna just do my eyebrows and add a little highlight or something. I don't know. And lip liner. Call it a day. And I have to charge my camera too.
I should have left you for that when I found you. I would have missed you for a second.
How we met.
Which one is better? Oh, I was about to say he's not gonna pick up. I'm about to say, where's my blending brush?
Don't know when my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings, everything is faded. Maybe this is called my definition of jaded. This stays on my mind, this stays on my mind. Trying to put a muzzle on my basic feelings. 1 minute I'm cold, then the next I'm tripping. No.
I forgot I had this. Y'all, I was also in the middle of cooking. I'm making meatball subs, so yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm just leaving my face like this, to be honest, and we're about to hurry up to school. It's 5:02 p.m. and I start at 5:45. I'm waiting for my mother to get home. But I do have to stop in the office before I go to class to fill out some paper. I'm happy one of my online classes finished already, and I don't have another one besides my math one, but the other one finished and I passed, so I really don't need, I guess, another one right now. But I don't like that I have to keep rubbing this one on. You know why? Because I had lip gloss on already. And if y'all see the TV, y'all already know what's playing on there. Pretty Little Liars. I'm just gonna wear this one. I don't even know where's my top. This little girl's funny. I have a funny daughter. I just want y'all to know. What else I'm doing? I want highlight, but that highlight is kind of strong. Probably this one is kind of.
I took the phone because Daddy hung up. And then she got mad and started hitting me.
I made high and
You're out on bail for murder charge, Spencer.
well, it's not a perfect plan, but
I wish I had prescriptions in these already. I cannot wait. Well, to put prescription in these. Matches my shirt perfect. I could wear it for style. Should I? I don't know. I'll pass. I have to get my camera case ready because this is coming with me. What else? I think that's it for now. I'm gonna put my little new perfume on. Don't rub, dab. This one is mad strong, so all you need is one spray. But I already ate. I didn't show that part, but that shit bust. So I want to put this belly ring back in. But I'm just going to class soon. I don't know if I'm a recording class. I'm gonna try to, but she really don't want no recording in that specific class, so I gotta be low. I'll see. But that's pretty much it, and then I'm gonna wind down, I guess, in this video. I'm not sure yet.
Merry Christmas. Where's my friend Claire? I haven't signed since back camp. My bunkmate was hard of hearing. Merry Christmas.
I can't put the bottom one in yet because I have glue here from surgery. So they put glue on my bottom hole. And then my other one is right here. And then the other one is right there. That one that I just showed y'all, the second one, is the worst. That thing hurts. But I think I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm in school already, or I don't know. We'll see. But I'll be back.
Take me through that, take me through that. should travel your car. Pick up on none of your call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? We're standing with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking if you get a move on. Like you haul and I know. You need to go slow.
Alright, y'all. I just got home from school. Yeah. My hair look crazy. Like, you would think I was play fighting or something, or jumping around, monkeying around. Crazy. But I'm still eating. But we're about to watch a movie soon, so I think I'm gonna put that in this vlog too. I don't know, but stay tuned. I could finally wind down. That's what I hate about mascara. That thing starts spreading everywhere. I'm gonna have to go wash my face. Going to sleep with my hair loose. Then we're about to struggle with this chain. It's time to brush teeth and then wash face. This is the hardest part. Getting makeup off your eyes.
Bang, 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 ooh, my, yeah.
I'm gonna shower in the morning. I already showered today. And I don't got time for that right now, to be honest. So leave me alone. I don't care what you say. This is my night. I have to do some work and stuff like that. So that's another reason. Yeah. I have to do laundry tomorrow. Alright, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
They say she get it from her mama. Mama say